Sa dami ng pelikula ngayon, bihira ang tulad ng La Camille. At ito, no, yung ganitong pambihirang pelikula, this is important. Not only so that we remember what we live and take to heart their contributions sila mga babaeng bayani kay Inang Bayan. Sa pelikula nito, it revives a voice long overlooked in our history. Pinatunayan ni Ka Oryang na kayang-kaya ng mga babae na mamuno and that we need women leaders. Their strength and courage, heroes like her, gave us the rights, the freedoms, and the power we enjoy today. We're only able to stand tall because we stand on the shoulders of giants like Ka Oryang. Women leaders offer bravery and critical perspectives. Women's leadership isn't just about equality, it's a key to progress and sustainability. Let the Kabili be a reminder to all of us women and mga kapatid na lalaki that women can and definitely should